it should be remembered that these inequalities that we are talking about, they are in interval form as well as one-sided. For example, if in the previous example, like this one, x is greater than 3. So any value which is greater than 3 is might be 4, 4.1, 4.2, then go on 1000, 1001, and then go on. It will be an infinite series of number. So this is called one-sided inequality, whereas the last example that we did was 0 is less than 1 and 1 is less than 10. So this is the one way we can say it, like 0 is less than 1 and 1 is less than 10. The other way we can say this statement as 1 is less than 10 and greater than 0. And the third way we can say it like 1 is between 0 and 10. So here we will draw a line. This is your 0. And this is 10. So where your this statement lies, what will you do? You will start from 1 and draw an empty circle like this, and then go till 9. So it starts from 1 and finish at 9. This is an interval form. Now another thing is, these are two brackets. Any question which include this, it will be called exclusive, and this will be called inclusive. Okay, so if we will do a question from the exercise 1.3, question number 1, and that is minus 3.0. Now remember that we have written we have used these small brackets. So this means exclusive, and exclusive means here that these minus 3 and this 0, these will be not included in the series. Now how to draw it here on the line, or how to sketch this interval. So this is the 0. Okay, on the right hand side you have 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is enough. Then you come on the left hand side of your 0, so it will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. Okay, all this distance should be equal. If you are using the graph paper, it will be more easier. Otherwise you can draw it like that by using scale or so minus 3 and 0, and these brackets means exclusive, so they are not so the data will be between minus 3 and 0, in which the minus 3 and 0 will not be included. So what we will do, over the minus 3 we will draw an empty circle and we will move toward the 0. So here this empty circle means that this minus 3 and this 0 are not included here, but anything between minus 3 and 0 are included in this series. So what are these values which are between minus 3 and minus 2? They might be like if here we can find minus 2.9 and minus 2.8, minus 2.7, like this, and it will go towards 0. Okay, so these are different values between minus 3 and 0. Okay, now question number 5 in the exercise 1.3. so we have 0 and 3 and the same small circles, the small brackets. So the small brackets means anything between 0 and 3, in which 0 and 3 will not be included. Okay, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, this and this. So anything between these 2 points will be our interval. Now another question we will do like question number 7, and that is minus 4 and minus 3. Now look, here we have used the large brackets. So large brackets means inclusive, so any value so anything the main sketch or the line will also include this minus 4 and minus 3. This is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and we will go until minus 4. Okay, so here we have this minus 4, and we will make this circle a dark or shaded circle. Okay, so this is the way this is how to sketch this question. It means all the values between minus 4 and minus 3 are included in this interval. Okay, now if we look at the question number 13 in exercise 1.3, so it is like 0, and 4, and look at the bracket. Now here is a small bracket and this one is big bracket, so it means that the 4 will be included in the whole data because here we have used the inclusive bracket. But at this side, anything or the value will start which is greater than 0, so we can draw like this: 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be an inclusive shaded circle because anything is up till 4, and it is something like this. So here value we will not count this 0. We will start it from something like 0.1 and then it goes till 4. So if we write it into the inequality form, so how will we write it? Like we can say like x is smaller and equal to 4, whereas 0 is less than x. So we start from 0, don't include 0 because it will be greater than 0. Anything will be greater than 0. Here x is equal to 4 as well as small. So anything which is equal and less than 4 but greater than 0 is between 0 and 4.